we have a 2014 Chevy Suburban. It's making that noise. We'll check to see what it is. So first of all, I'm gonna check all these components. I'm not a big mechanic, but I know a few things. So here's the tensioner down here. I'm gonna put a 15mm wrench here and take the tension out, and then I'm gonna check all of these parts. Before that, I'm gonna, sorry about the angle, I'm gonna make note of how this serpentine belt goes. So it goes over here, and then goes over here on this pulley. It goes up to the alternator. I'm sorry. It goes down to, I'm sorry, like I said, I'm not a mechanic. This is that part where you add your oil for your steering. I forget the name of the part. So it goes below that, and then it goes up here. See, it's kind of hard to see, but it goes up here and goes over the water pump. And then it goes down into an S shape into where the engine part comes out. And then it goes down. I'm sorry, it goes below that, and then it goes up to the tensioner again. So if I checked all of these, they seem fine. The one that is making noise is the alternator. I don't know if you can hear that. And if I go faster, I'm making another noise internally. Alright, so I'm not 100% sure, but that will be the starting point. They'll be the first suspect. So if I spin it the other way, it will make more noise. No play, but usually it's the bearing that's wearing out, and it's probably the one on the back part.